Good Mineral Monday. This is part 2 of magnetite. I talked before about the chemistry of magnetite, but now let's talk about where it's found. Magnetite can be found in a variety of geologic settings, right? In igneous rocks, in sedimentary rocks. But it turns out that there are some animals out there that actually crystallize magnetite naturally. For example, birds. Birds have little magnetite crystals in the top of their beak and in the back of their retina, and that actually orients with Earth's magnetic field, and it helps them navigate. So if there happens to be a magnetic pole reversal, which does happen, we've got geologic record of that, we might have birds flying south for the summer, which would be kind of an interesting little situation. But magnetite is really important because this is our main ore mineral for iron. And that is used in a variety of applications. But yeah, there you go. That is more about magnetite.
I just wanted to do a demonstration here really quickly of the magnetic properties of magnetite. First, let's start with hematite, which, as I mentioned before, is an oxidized iron mineral. And if I put this in here, it doesn't really do anything. These little, this material over here, those are just iron shavings, iron filings. And if it were magnetic, you would see some sort of reaction. Same with limonite, very oxidized iron mineral. Here's pyrite, again, no reaction whatsoever. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of magnetite and I'm going to set it here in the middle. And instantly it takes those iron shavings and aligns them along the magnetic field that is naturally occurring in the mineral. So you can see we've got one end of the magnetic pole here, another one there, and these iron shavings are aligning along the magnetic field. So this is very similar to the way the magnetic field around Earth works. I kind of give this a little bit of a shake, see it develop a little bit better. So there you go.